Hey kids, look, we've got here some great presents for you, so let's open them up. What do you think we have here? We have a what's that? Well, that's a pig. A tiny piggy. Oink oink. Here you go, piggy. And what do we have here? We have a whoa, that's a rat. Look at its hands. It's got hands, small tiny hands, and a tail. Well, that's a rat. And what do we have here? Whoa, that's a beautiful horse. Can you see the horse? Well, that's a horse, a beautiful one, a running horse. And we've got here something else. Let's see, what do we have here? We've got here whoop, that's another horse, not a running one. Can you see it? Yeah. Let's see, what do we have here now? You probably see all those great cars here, right? Small, tiny. And we have here a penguin. It's a cute penguin, a tiny silicone-made penguin. Hand-painted. Can you see it? Beautiful. And we have here a... Whoa! That's a koala. A koala bear. See? That's a big one, a mommy koala, and a small koala hugging her on her back. See a small koala here? Yeah, baby koala. And whoa, wow, that's a beautiful dog, a house dog. You can see its tail and face. Can you see the face? That's his face. And I've got lots of more. Whoop. That's a crocodile, an alligator, with a big mouth. Let's see what's inside its mouth. Whoa. Can you guess what animal I will find inside? Whoa, we have a bull. Looks like a bull. See, more closer and closer. Cow? No, that's a cow. That's not a bull. See the nipples? That's a cow. Well, here we've got... Oh, we've got nothing. Do we have here something else? Whoop! That's a... I don't know really how to say it in English, but that's not a flying horse. That's a... Forgotten it. Pegasus, maybe? Pegasus, I think. It's a Pegasus. A horse with wings. Maybe sometime I will tell you the story about the Pegasus from the Greek mythology. So we have here... Whoa, that's another cow. Whoa, that's another cow. And we have here tiger, tigress, tiger. And let's see, I've got here like 6 more, 7 more, 8 more. Lots of animals and another horse. Look at this beautiful horse. What do you say about that? Wow, a unicorn. Look. A unicorn, a beautiful unicorn with a horn. It has like flowers on its back, on its neck. It is white, so white. Beautiful animal. And got another one. Let's see, what do I have here? I have here a lion. That's a lion. It really is a lion. And boom, 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 boom. Pew. That's another cow, but this time that's a white cow, not a brown one. A cow on grass. What do you think do I have here? What do you think that I have here? I've got a gorilla. Gorilla. No, it's not a gorilla, it's a bear. It's not a... Why did I say it's a gorilla? It's a bear. It looks like a grizzly one. It's a bear, black bear. That's a black bear. So if anyone really knows what it is, please correct me if I'm wrong. And I have here very unique bug. That's a beetle. But if I would turn off the light, you'll see it glows at the dark. Let me show you. Can't really make it, huh? Well, you must believe me, it glows. And that's a giraffe. That's a giraffe, look. A beautiful giraffe. And we have here also this one. Another horse? No, that's a gazelle. I think looks like a gazelle. Looks like a gazelle. Runs like a gazelle. And poof, a cat. Not a kitty, it's a cat. And a beautiful one. Thank you, kids. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.